Hello there, I hope you all are passing a good time. Today you will see how to install WordPress very fast by Softaculous installer. So let's get started without any delay. At first you need to go to your Cpanel. Already I am in the Cpanel windows. You can go to your Cpanel by type your domain name /cpanel, type enter. Okay, you will see such kind of window, and give your username and password. So I am already in my Cpanel, I am not giving that. You will need to type your username and password and login. So scroll down below and find this section Softaculous app installer, this WordPress icon, or you may go from here WordPress manager by Softaculous. These both are same. You can click any one of these. Click here. After that I am seeing all my already installed WordPress. See, this is my one of domain and this is my other domain. They already have WordPress has been installed. Now I am install another WordPress. So click install. You may see an installation window. Already I have selected HTTPS protocol. Select where I use install WordPress. See, I have a subdomain that name new developer.xyz. I am now install WordPress this subdomain. So select this. You can keep this directory free or anything from here. Select latest version of WordPress. Select site name. I am giving a name example site or test site. This is, I think, important because the future SEO purpose you need to use your site name or description. Choose one of site description. I use here test site, example site, test site. Okay, admin username you can give anything here. I am keep admin. Already generated password here. I keep this as a place. Okay, give admin email ID because every WordPress installer need an admin email. So keep your valid email ID. Okay, and keep your email ID. Okay, after that select site language. I choose here already English. Okay, and then check mark this two plugin. Maybe it will help a lot of, because W312 caching plugin we will discuss it later. And after that limit login attempts. For if anyone try to log in your dashboard, he only get 3 times. After that sometime already he will be blocked. After that select theme. I will skipping now, we will do it later. So finally you can give your email ID for installation details. Okay, I will give your email ID of one of mine. After that we will final step, click install. Check submitted data 4%. Wait a moment for full box and fill. Okay, then congratulations, the software is installed successfully. Okay, so here already installed WordPress successfully. We will see now login my dashboard. So this is my subdomain name /wp admin and enter. Keep your email ID, type password and login. Test site. Yeah, WordPress already installed it successfully. Let's check which theme already installed. Maybe is 2090 2021 is the default theme of WordPress. No problem, we will install the theme later. So if this video is helpful for you, please let us know by like, comment or share. Thanks again for watching this video. Thank you.